Hello everyone, my name is Chansal Dhanuka. In this video, we will see how to encrypt and decrypt a file. So let's begin. First of all, what is encrypting file system? The encrypting file system EFS on Microsoft Windows is a feature introduced in version 3.0 of NTFS, that is new technology file system that provides file system level encryption. Now what it does? The technology enables files to be transparently encrypted to protect confidential data from attackers with physical access to the computer. And only professional or business and ultimate or enterprise editions of Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 8.1 and 10 support file and folder encryption on NTFS file system. Now we will see how to encrypt a file. To encrypt a file, simply open the properties of the file, click Advanced and select Encrypt Contents to secure data as shown in figure. You can compress or encrypt a file but not both. If the file was previously compressed and now you wish to encrypt it, the file will be uncompressed first. Click OK in the current window. Now while encrypting a file, one should always encrypt folders, not individual files in them. If NTFS encryption is enabled for a folder, all files and subfolders with their files in it will always be automatically encrypted. If you encrypt an individual file only, no other files in the same or different folder will be automatically encrypted. An encrypted file inside an unencrypted folder can have unwanted consequences such as unencrypted backup copies or decrypted originals. Luckily, Windows warns about the encrypting files inside an unencrypted folder. Either leave the encrypt the file and its parent folder option selected and choose OK to encrypt the whole folder, or click cancel, create a new folder for the files you want to protect and apply encryption to the new folder. Now once you have encrypted the file, the Windows Explorer changes its display color to green. You can see all your encrypted files in the green color. Now it's also important to understand how EFS affects file moves and copies. If you copy or move an unencrypted file into a folder that is marked for encryption, that file will become encrypted. Once encrypted, files will remain so no matter where you move them within the local file system, whether to folders not marked for encryption or to completely different partitions. If a user encrypts his or her files and folders, a certificate with a private key is created and stored automatically. If a user loses encryption certificate and has no backup of it, he or she will lose all access to the encrypted files. Now we will see backing up encrypting file system certificates in Windows. To secure yourself against accidental loss of encryption certificate due to forcible password reset, computer breakdown or theft, you must export the automatically generated certificate. A notification in the taskbar notification area appears. Click that notification. In the encrypted file system window, click Backup Now. Now we will see the second step towards backing up the certificate. In Windows, open the Run dialog. Type certmgr.msc and click OK. Windows Vista 7, 8, 8.1 or 10 users can use the same process for starting certificate management later if needed. Now expand the personal branch on top left and click Certificates. Right click the certificate that has encrypting file system written in the intended purpose column and open All Task Export. Now the certificate export wizard starts with a welcome screen. Click Next. If you started export from Certificate Manager console, you will see the Export Private Key screen next. Choose the Yes, Export the Private Key option and click Next. Please note that EFS certificate without the private key is useless. It will never decrypt any files or folders. Now in Windows XP, activate Include All Certificates in the certification path if possible and enable strong protection options. In Windows Vista and New Year, tick the Include the All Certificates in the certification path if possible and export all extended properties checkboxes. Never activate the delete the private key if export is successful option, or you will lose access to your encrypted items. Click next. Now create a new and strong password for the certificate. Follow the guidelines in the password safe article. Now click next. Now in file to export screen, click browse and select an external media such as USB stick or external hard drive. Finally, click finish to export your encrypting file system certificate. After the export completes, click OK. Now we are done with how to encrypt a file. Now we will see how to decrypt a file. For decrypting a file, right click the folder or file you want to decrypt and then click Properties. Now click the General tab and then click Advanced. Now clear Encrypt Contents to Secure Data checkbox. Now click OK and then OK again. When you decrypt a folder, you are asked if you want all files and subfolders within the folder to be decrypted as well. If you choose to decrypt the folder only, the encrypted files and folders within the decrypted folder remain encrypted. However, new files and folders that you create within the decrypted folder will not be automatically encrypted. So that's how we can encrypt and decrypt a file or a folder. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and share this video.